JD 26 here to do the tips, repairs, and hobbies. And we've got the Cannon Work Sharpener here. And it's a new addition to my sharpening systems. Besides the block sharpener, which I use to just touch up and sharpen my blades. But this system is very quick, like the block sharpener. And it's very easy to use. I use 2 belts. I sharpen 3 knives. And you go by the chart right here, emphatically. And you have on the other side, you have a dial to dial in the angle. And it works very well. This is the Ken Onion model. I highly recommend it. I've been through a lot of different sharpening systems, as well as using the stones. And I don't really like the stones. They take too long. So I would recommend this. Get one of these, definitely. Have a good day. Thanks for watching and stay safe.